Each time you enroll a customer for a $37 preferred legal plan and a $34 IDShield family plan, and that customer pays for their first month, the company immediately wires into your bank account $80 commission. Now, I personally think that that's great because that's like more than 100% of the first month that I collect from the customer. So the customer pays their first month, I get paid $80. But as soon as you enroll your first 3, you get moved up to senior associate, making $100 per customer. And when I worked at the gym and I started this part-time and I just started referring this to people and recommending it to people, I was making an extra $100 each time a customer signed up on my lunch break. I mean, this helped me get out of debt. This helped me buy some nice shoes, right? This helped me save up for the home and to start investing the extra income. What would you do with an extra couple $100 a month? So in the beginning, for me, it was an extra couple $100 a month. But then, as you enroll more customers, you move up the compensation plan. It usually takes about 6 customers or so to get to manager. Now you're making $132 per customer.